Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into something truly extraordinary, the Toyota Hike-Cruze 6x6 motorhome, and trust me, this is not your typical motorhome. Imagine the power of a rugged off-road truck combined with the luxury and comfort of a high-end motorhome, all in one massive, fully enclosed 6x6 beast. From the moment you see it, the sheer size and presence of this vehicle will leave you stunned. Starting from the exterior, this Hike-Cruze 6x6 is painted in a pristine white that perfectly complements its aggressive, muscular design. The vehicle sits on large, off-road tires, built for any terrain, yet when you see it inside a golden luxury showroom, it looks like a masterpiece rather than just a machine. The polished marble floors reflect its contours, and soft ambient lighting highlights every curve and line of the body. Behind it, the golden illuminated Toyota sign gives it an aura of sophistication. Even the slightly rugged texture on the tires and body gives it realism, showing it's ready to conquer any adventure. Moving around to the rear, the motorhome maintains that same commanding presence. The cargo doors, rear lights, and massive bumper are all meticulously designed, showing a blend of utility and luxury. The 6x6 wheelbase is clearly visible, emphasizing its off-road capabilities. From a drone perspective, the full scale is even more apparent. The vehicle dominates the showroom, and you can see all the luxurious details from above, including the tinted windows and subtle reflections on the white paint. Now, stepping inside, the interior is where this motorhome truly shines. The cabin is designed for both comfort and style. The driver's seat is ergonomically crafted with premium leather, and the dashboard features high-tech digital displays, GPS navigation, climate control, and even 6x6 control panels. Every button and panel feels purposeful, combining modern tech with practical functionality. Ambient lighting adds warmth, while large panoramic windows let in natural light without compromising privacy. Moving into the living area, you'll notice the fully equipped kitchen with a compact fridge, stove, microwave, sink, and plenty of storage. Every appliance is carefully integrated, keeping the space clean and functional. Adjacent to the kitchen is a cozy seating area with leather couches, perfect for relaxing or dining. The bedroom is equally luxurious with a comfortable bed, premium linens, and soft lighting to make every night feel like a five-star hotel stay. The washroom continues this theme of sophistication. Despite its compact size, it features a modern toilet, glass-enclosed shower, sleek sink, and marble countertops. LED lighting and metallic accents give it a spacious, high-end feel. Every detail, from towels to storage compartments, is designed to maximize comfort while maintaining elegance. What makes the Hike-Cruze 6x6 motorhome truly stand out is its ability to blend extreme ruggedness with unmatched luxury. You can take this beast off-road, climb rocky terrain, or cruise highways, and still feel like you're inside a high-end living space. Its 6x6 drivetrain ensures stability, traction, and power that few vehicles in the world can match. It's a statement of capability, power, and exclusivity. So, whether you're dreaming of off-road adventures, luxury road trips, or simply want to see automotive engineering at its finest, the Toyota Hike-Cruze 6x6 motorhome is an absolute showstopper. Don't forget to imagine this vehicle from every angle: the low front three-quarter shot, the rear view, the drone perspective from above, and of course, the immersive interior that combines technology, comfort, and style seamlessly. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most incredible motorhomes ever made, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more high-end vehicle reviews, and comment below what feature of the Toyota Hike-Cruze 6x6 motorhome blew you away the most. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.